everyone. Today is Friday, December 20th. I've been having such a difficult time remembering the days of the week. But yeah, today's Friday. I am just now starting this. I don't really know how this video is going to go. Probably going to do like a weekend-ish type thing. So probably Friday, Saturday, maybe Sunday too, depending on how much footage I have. I've worked 6 out of the last 7 days. So I've been just at work for literally like all day. I have like no time really, except for like 2 hours when I get home. So I didn't really film at all this week. Actually, not at all. I never brought out my camera just because I was like, I'm not doing anything. So yeah, technically yesterday was my last day working at the dance store. My boss actually sold the business, so the new owner takes over tomorrow, and I'm actually working for her like 4 days in January because she's out of town. She's a dance teacher with like competitions and work related stuff, so I was like, oh, I can just help you out in January because they're still going to be in our location. And then they're moving to Kentucky, so the bus doesn't take me to Kentucky, so I can't get there. So I was like, oh, I can do it. Technically yesterday was my last day, which is kind of sad. I loved working there so much. It was such a great gig, but I'm definitely excited just to like start working with my boss on her new franchise idea. It's like 10:45 and today I'm actually babysitting from 12 to 4. So I have that, and then I think my dad and I'm gonna pick him up from school. Today's his last day before break, and then we're gonna go to Chipotle and then go back to his school because there is a basketball game tonight, and I went to one with him last year I think, and it's pretty fun. I love basketball. I used to play it actually, so it's just fun to go to a game and just the environment's fun. So yeah, that's all that is on the agenda today. My camera is actually dying. I haven't charged it for like a week and a half, so I need to do that. Hopefully, I'm just gonna talk really fast, but I'm just gonna like clean up my room. You guys can see it's a mess. All right, so it's 11, so I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm not gonna do anything fancy, but I have to leave at 11:40 to go get the car from my dad and then go get to the school to pick up the girls. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna tackle is my hair. It's been kind of wild lately, and I like the kind of crimped wavy look, but it always dries so funky up here. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup and obviously like wash my face, brush my teeth, all that fun stuff. So awkward because everyone can see my camera. I just got to their school. I could not find a parking spot like anywhere up by the actual school, so I'm on a farther side street. But yeah, I need to go walk up there to get them because I pick them up in 4 minutes, but it's just like right up the street. So gonna go do that, and then I think we're gonna go out to lunch, and apparently they want to go to Claire's. So it's gonna be like a little date and we can catch up because I haven't seen them for, I don't think I've babysat for them since like February or March. It's been a really long time, and I used to sit for them all the time in high school, so I just miss them so much, and they're so cute and so fun. So I'm excited for today. I'm also babysitting for them on Monday, which will be fun. Hello. Yeah, making bath bombs. Whoop whoop. I just got home from sitting. She actually got home a little bit earlier, so I'm home before 4, which is nice. Yeah, it was fun. It's definitely, I don't know, I'm definitely like used to kids, especially after like I've babysat for so long, and then I taught kids like 4 hours a week, or no, 20 hours a week over the summer. But I was like actually teaching them, and they like had to listen to me and had to do what I told them to do. So it's just different, but they're so fun. I have like an hour and 15 minutes-ish before I'm gonna head over with my dad. And yeah, he wanted to go to Chipotle, but the girls wanted to go to Chipotle, so I might eat Chipotle twice, which I don't know if that's a good idea, but it's just so yum, so I might just do it. So yeah, I don't know really what I'm gonna do. It's so weird like not being in school anymore, because I'm like, what do I do with all of my time? Like, I just don't know. But I cleaned my room earlier. Actually, this is what I can do. I can do laundry, and I like folded all of my clothes and everything, so it's all put together. And I made my blow-up bed. You guys, I'm literally sleeping on a blow-up bed because I took my bed obviously with me for college because I wasn't gonna buy like another one. since I'm only like moved out for this 1 year. So I'm on a vault bed, but it's surprisingly comfortable. So I think I might just lay down and watch. I've been watching Dance Academy. It's so good. I watched it in high school, I think. I don't think I've seen it for like a year or two, but it's super good. It's on Amazon Prime, in case you guys are wondering. I don't know, this is my house that you guys probably haven't seen for a while. I think my mom just got home, so I'll probably chat with her for a bit. It has been a little while. It's Saturday, it's 3:30. I'm actually at the pharmacy to pick up a prescription, but yeah, I just had a pretty lazy morning, and then I actually met my best friend from high school, or like basically my whole life, but I haven't talked to her a lot since, or like during my time in college. So we just got brunch. We met at 11:30 and I like just left, so we were together for like 4 hours, which was so good. We had such a fun time. I was kind of the one to like pull away, so I'm glad that it just worked out, and I think we're gonna see each other when I get back before school starts and stuff, so I'm just happy about that. It's just like, it's so hard. It's so hard to be an adult and to like handle like your relationships and it's just like life and school and what you want to do and trying to figure all of that out. So it's just nice that I have like such a solid person to like always go back to. So I'm just like really happy right now. But yeah, I am going to meet my parents downtown. They've been downtown for a while. I thought that like I wasn't gonna be with her as long and I would meet them there, but I think I'm just gonna like kind of drop the car off, and my mom and I are going to go shopping. We want to go to Old Navy because they have 75% off PJs, so we want to get matching PJs this year, which will be so fun. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm like sweating. The restaurant was so hot, and it's like 60 degrees out right now and the sun's out, so it's absolutely beautiful. So it's very nice. That's my update. I didn't really talk last night either, but my dad and I went to get Chipotle. I just ate chips, and then we got Chick-fil-A milkshakes, and then we went to the basketball game, which was really good. It was a very close game, very entertaining. It was just like really fun to watch. So I used to play basketball and like watch like my friends play and stuff, so it was really fun to see that. But yeah, it's been a good weekend so far. I'm just like so high on life right now, and I feel so good. We're at Old Navy right now, and I found all of these dresses for $1.97. So I'm trying them on right now for aisle P, which is when I'm gonna go teach after I graduate in August. And like you have to wear dresses, and they have to cover your shoulders. So obviously these ones don't, so I'll just wear like a white shirt. Not this one though, because it's too big and it looks kind of weird. But I actually have a printed one like this. But yeah, it's perfect. The length is good. And I just can't believe that I found all these for so cheap, because I was gonna have to buy new ones because I only have like a few from Ukraine. So we really lucked out. We also found some PJs, but we kind of changed our minds, so my mom's going to get more sizes. But I'm just like so happy I found these. Good morning. It is Sunday. It's 10:37 a.m. I just decided to continue this video through the whole weekend because, one, I feel like I didn't have enough footage, and also my sister and I are gonna go Christmas shopping today, and I think that we're gonna go to the Festival of Lights, which is at Cincinnati Zoo. It's just like a bunch of lights and it's really pretty. It's just kind of like one of the things to do in Cincinnati over the holidays. So yeah, I was like, I'll just film it, and then hopefully I will get this video up tomorrow. Might be Tuesday though, because I actually babysit all day tomorrow, so we'll see. Yeah, I didn't really film much yesterday just because I was like with my friend and then my mom shopping, and then just kind of hung out and honestly read my book. I've been reading, or I actually just finished it, You, Me, and the Sea by Meg Donahue. It is so good. It's so beautifully written. The language, the characters, and I love the ocean, so it's like all about like the connection to earth, and it's just so pretty and I loved it so much. It took me a second to get into it because where I thought it was going, it started in the present and then it went to the past, and I thought that the past was going to be quick, but it actually ended up being mostly the past. So then I was like, oh, I don't know how I feel about this, but then I was like, oh my gosh, these characters are just so amazing. And so yeah, it was really good, highly recommend. But I just want to show you guys all the dresses that I got at Old Navy, which yeah, I kind of explained it, but just in case you guys don't know, I'm planning to go with ILP again to teach English for 4 months, and I'm hoping to go to the Dominican Republic or somewhere like more tropical. So you just always need dresses for teaching because obviously you have to look like a little bit more professional, and obviously it's very humid and hot down in the tropics, so it's like you can't really wear like jeans or slacks or anything. So I got 6, and most of them, I guess 5 of them, were like $147 or $197, and then one was $5. But I just thought that I'd show you. I was like texting my friend, I was like, oh, just in case you want ILP dresses, they're $2 at Old Navy. So some of them, like, I wouldn't really pick out if they were like full price, but I was like $2. I was like, you seriously cannot beat that. And they're like originally like $35. So the first one, I don't think I showed this one in the video or the clip that I filmed, but it's like this tropical one, and it's just like a slip dress. So obviously I'll be wearing like a white or like black t-shirt underneath, which is kind of typical. That's what like a lot of ILP people do. By the way, I keep saying ILP, it's International Language Program. That's the organization. I say that all the time. People are like, oh, what the heck are you talking about? But these are pretty long, but I figured that I could just like tie a little knot like right below my knees and it would be perfect. So yeah, I got that one. This one you saw, but it's like the same style, just kind of like a kind of cami crossback dress, and these are so light, so it's like perfect. I also got the same style in this black polka dot, and then I got this polka dot one, which I don't know, I like it, but I feel like I don't love it. I love polka dots, but the color is kind of funky, so I don't know. But I was like, it's so cheap, I'm just gonna get it anyways. And they're just super comfy and lightweight, so perfect. This one's a little bit different, but I loved the color. And this one, I mean, obviously all of these I can wear when I'm like not teaching. It's just a pretty yellow color with some white kind of flowers and more of a v-neck, so I feel like that one's pretty cute. And then I also found this one. This is the same pattern that I have, but it's a little bit of a different style, and it's kind of like pleated, and I feel like it looks like so tropical. I might take this one to like Hawaii with me. It's so pretty, and it's like more of a high neck, which I like. So yeah, my sister and I are gonna go shopping. I'm gonna pick her up in actually less than an hour, and I'm gonna stop by my house to like pack for my trip. So I'm gonna start like changing and getting ready, and then I'm gonna head out. So we are home from shopping. It's like 3:30. We were out for a little while, but we got everything, or at least I got everything that I needed. My sister dropped me off and then she went back out because obviously it's hard to like buy stuff for the person that you're shopping with. But yeah, I'm completely finished. I will say we don't really do a big Christmas. We never really have. Last year we actually didn't do like any Christmas gifts, so this year we're kind of like just doing like a little bit, and my family has just always been like experiences over like tangible items, so that's just kind of something that we do. But it is nice like once a year just to kind of buy some little things that, you know, the person will hopefully like and use and wear and stuff. So yeah, no one in my family really watches my videos, so I'm going to show you what I got everyone. My sister and I usually put like both of our names on, so we might do that. I think we'll probably do that again this year because she picked out this scarf for my mom. It's really pretty. She loves red and it's very, very soft. And then I got her these little earrings that I think she'll like because she likes gold and silver, so I feel like those are cute. And then I got her this sloth mug because we went to Costa Rica together and we saw one, and that was just kind of like a really fun trip for us, so I feel like that is a cute way to remember it. And she doesn't really have like any fun mugs, so I thought that was cute. For my dad, this is just a joke. I just saw it and I was like, yeah, that is so funny. So got him that, and there's actually a little keychain too that he can put on his keys. Woo! But then this was the thing that he actually wanted. It's just like a bag for his basketball stuff because he plays basketball a couple times a week. This I got for Casey, my brother's girlfriend. I got her a diffuser. She's really into candles and like scent stuff, so I figured a diffuser would be nice. So I got her this, and then I have these and I love them. It's eucalyptus lemon lavender, and they're from Trader Joe's and super good. These things I got for myself. I got nail polish for my trip, and then this London sweatshirt because I went there over the summer, and I have a New York City one. It's right there, that little green thing, and it's the best sweatshirt ever. It's Wild Fable, and they're only like 20 bucks, and I love this blue color, so got that. And then lastly, for my sister, I got her this backpack a couple of weeks ago from Target. It was on clearance for like $10, I think. Yeah, but it's a really nice backpack, so I just wanted to like fill it with a couple things. First thing I got her is this water. Obviously, I try to get stuff that people will use like daily. So I got her this. She's used it before, really likes it. So I got her some more, and the little pad things that you squirt it on. She always does her nails, so I got her this color. She's kind of like into darker, moody colors, I guess. But it's not focusing. But it's this really pretty, like, kind of like plum. It says beet, like blood red color. It's really pretty. And then I got her sports bra because every girl would love sports bra. So yeah, that's all that I got. I'm going to start wrapping them, see if this works maybe. I'm just gonna watch Dance Academy. I've been watching it. It's so good. If you guys haven't seen it and you're like a dancer, you will love it. It's kind of cheesy, but it's super cute. And just like put everything together, wrap stuff. We have some Snoopy, or I guess Charlie Brown wrapping paper, and this one with donuts. So here we go. I'm not good at wrapping presents, so this will probably take me a little while. My parents and I are about to head to the Festival of Lights. They are, as always, running late. But it's not even like dark out yet, and I thought that it would be because it's like 5:12, but I forgot that now it's like, I think the longest day has already passed, so now it's, the days are getting, or the shortest day already passed, so the days are getting longer. But yeah, hopefully it's fun. I will say being home is, for an extended period of time, is much more difficult than I expected, especially having been gone the entire summer and like the past semester. Like, I'm just so used to being by myself, self-sufficient, not having to answer so many questions. So yeah, it's funny. Okay, here comes my mom.